guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, we're doing a short Japan haul. So, sorry, medyo magulo yung likod namin. Kakauwi na namin kagabi. So, gusto ko na siyang i-video kasi gusto ko na siyang i-prep. So, may mga inopen na namin na products like this one. Yan. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Nandiyan siya lahat. So, yan. Yung mga items is, ano na siya, inopen na namin dito. Pero naka-tax-free bags pa. Like this one, naka-seal pa. Dito namin inopen sa UAE pag-uwi namin. So, let's start our haul. Medyo madami-dami siya. So, nag-start kami mag-travel or mag-vacation din sa, sa Mount Fuji area. Nag-stay kami around 5 days. So, ito yung mga napamili namin. So, na siya. So, eto, we bought this one. It's a cute clothes for kids. So, para, ano na siya for our baby. I want to buy this one. It's very cute. Traditional siya na Japanese clothes. Yeah. Ay, cute. So, ito siya. See? Japanese damit. Ano ba? Ay, nag-glare. So, yan. Yan. Tada! It's so cute! Ito, binili namin doon. So, may... Saan nga ba to? Dun sa isang lake. So, sabi may ice cream. Nagay ko saan siya. So, doon namin siya nabili. It's around 3,000 ata. Yan. And then, we also bought a ref magnet here. Yeah, so cute. Cutie pie. Then, ano ba yun? Wait lang. Here. We bought some things in Mount Fuji. So, ito yung Meiji. Yan. So, ito, meron siya is yung strawberry. Like ito. Yung parang original one. Yan. Pero doon sa Mount Fuji, I saw this Apollo na may matcha. And sayang, sana bumili pala akong madami kasi hindi ko na siya nakita sa Tokyo. Ang sarap siya. Then, also bought this one. Nadulo ba yung box niya? Yan, Mount Fuji Kit Kat. It's blueberry cheesecake flavor. Hindi mo siya kailangan bilhin doon kasi sa mga stores sa Tokyo, meron din nito. So, hindi mo kailangan bilhin doon mismo. But eto, itong Dars, parang hindi ko siya napansin sa ibang area. Kung doon na sa Mount Fuji. Pero ito masarap to, natikman ko na rin. It's good. Also yung Kit Kat na Mount Fuji, masarap din. May parang kaibang flavor. Tapos kapares ng damit ni baby is socks. So it's socks of Mount Fuji. Ang cute lang. So si Mount Fuji. And then, meron kasing specialty na parang noodles doon sa Mount Fuji or sa Kawaguchiko area. Hoto, parang ganon. So, kalimutan ko yung name. Pero eto siya, bumili kami ng instant. Hindi namin siya natikman doon. So, bumili kami ng instant one. And, mukha naman siyang masarap. Kasi parang ang sabi nila, parang siyang soba noodles na medyo chewy. Chewy siya, chewy. So, we'll try this one. Then, update ko kayo kung masarap siya. Yun. Yun yung nabili namin sa Mount Fuji. So, the next bag is sa mga 7-Eleven. Mga snacks 7-Eleven. Konti lang yung nabili ko. Di na ako bumili nung egg sandwich or yung egg sandwich doon and tuna. Kasi parang hindi ko siya ganun kabet. So, bumili lang ng mga snacks kasi masarap siya. So, I bought this one. 7-Eleven Macadamia. Ito ang pinakamasarap. You should try this one. Grapes. Grape siya na coated ng chocolate. Sarap siya. You should try this one. Yan, no? Mura lang naman ito mga to. And then, ito pa pala, sorry, sa mga Fuji, binili ko siya. Hindi ko alam, but puro grapes. Ang dami-daming grapes doon. Pero jelly grapes siya. And then, I saw also this one, sa 7-Eleven lang. It's a strawberry and mango. I think limited edition lang siya. Yung mango na try ko na, okay lang siya. Yung strawberry, hindi ko pa natatry. Pero yung pinakamasarap talaga sa ating mga lahat is yung grapes. Sarap siya. Then, may macadamia and also merong ano pa naman to? Ito, banana chip. Banana chip coated siya ng chocolate. Sobrang sarap nito. Try nyo din to. Macadamia, almond, may almond din pala. Ito, almond. Almond chocolate, 7-Eleven. So, ito yung mga nabili sa 7-Eleven haul ko. The next haul is yung kitchen. So, mga food sa kitchen. So, this is the bag. I bought this one. It's a sesame seed salad dressing. Masarap siya. And then, as usual, ito, masarap din to. It's a chocolate dressing for anything na lagyan mo ng chocolate. Maganda ka siya, dalawa yung cup niya. It's one smaller or konti lang yung lalabas. And yung pangalawa is yung pangmadamihan na siya. Next is one. This bread is so good for coating your chicken. Yan. Dalawang klase yan. May color blue. Hindi siya mahanap. Pero muna ko na to. And color blue. Next is yung mga fried rice. The fried rice one is so good. Etong brand. Yan. Iba't ibang klase yan. So, these fried rice mix are very good and very cheap in Japan. So, bili kayo na to. Then, anything na mixed with them, yan, sarap din to. Na-try ko na siya before. Eto, lalagyan mo na siya ng giniling. Sarap din. Siya lahat masarap. Then, next, ito yung talaga. The fluffy, ay, malaglag. The fluffy pancake. Yan. Every time na nagpapalit si Mommy, nagpapabili ako nito. Sa isang bag, may 4 bags siya. Yan. And mabilis na lutuin. Pwede siyang gawing crepe or takoyaki or pancake. Masarap siya. And mura lang talaga. What else? Ito, masarap din siya. Malasa yung rice mo. So, parang imimix mo lang siya directly sa rice mo. Then, malasa na siya. What else? Ito, you just have to add beef and gulay during cooking. And of course, hindi mawawala yung furikake. This is chicken and egg furikake, I think. Ito, uso to. And the chocolate gaba. I haven't tried this one, but they have good feedback. Meron itong gaba sleep. Is that may melatonin daw siya. It helps with sleeping. And then, this one, I have this spread. Ano what to it? Ayan. I got this one, the garlic one, and then the butter one. Both are good. Mura lang din siya doon sa Japan. What else? Ito rin, another furikake. This one. So, it's good. Pero mas bet ko yung isa. Ito. Mas gusto ko to kasi this one. But both are good. This one is like mapo tofu, if gusto niyo siya. So, ito, mina-microwave lang siya. Tapos, yun na siya, automatic na siya. Microwave niyo lang, init na siya. And then, you just add it on your rice. Sarap siya. Then, the next one is yung mga pang-paganda. Or mga shampoo, those things. So, they said, and honey is so good. I haven't tried this one directly. Pero maganda ang feedback for low petty hair. Parang ganon. Pwede sabi niya na. So, I bought only the conditioner. Parang hindi ako namili ng shampoo. Kasi okay naman yung shampoo rito. So, I just bought the conditioner one. This is the and honey. Ito yung parang limited edition nila. Because of the cartoon. And then, I also bought the other one. Si Mickey Mouse at si Minnie Mouse. So, nabetan ako dahil sa kanila. Next, we have the dry wipes. Dry shampoo sheets. Tinry ko na siya ngayon kasi medyo oily hair ko. And it's quite effective. And it smells so good. Sana bumili pa ako ng marami ganito. Hindi kasi ako fan ng dry shampoo. Pero tinry ko lang siya. And it's so good. If you want, you buy this one. It's effective and smells so good. Para pag amoy araw ka, just pat it on your hair. Mabango siya. Next is this one. It's a flare. Ayan. So I just bought one. Sana bumili pa ako na mas marami. Bumili ako last time kasi ng Downy. So, ito yung lalagay mo sa spray. I-spray mo lang yung damit mo. So, mag-straighten na siya. Na-recommend siya sa TikTok. So, I tried buying one. dapat pala bumili ako mas marami kasi mas effective siya kasi sa Downy na binibili ko dito sa UAE. Next is what we have is the lotion for the face. Hydrating Lotion Light. Tatry ko lang siya. So, bumili lang ako ng refill. It's a brand from Hada Labo. So, yung friend ko is nagpabili na ganitong Hada Labo. Pero sa ako, try ko lang siya. Pero maganda ang feedback. Kasi I'm using Clinique. Pero mahal na kasi siya. So, I tried the one cheaper and more effective naman. Effective naman daw. The next one we have is the eye cream. For the eye cream, it helps with the wrinkles now. So, for the aging, kailangan na natin siya. Maganda ang feedback dito kay Sana brand. Next is we bought one hair mask Fino. Since dito sa UAE, medyo dry ang hair natin due to the weather and to the water. So, let's try this Fino. It has good feedback. Maganda daw to. So, let's try this one. I was supposed to buy one more, the Tsubaki one, pero wala akong makita eh. So, I just bought the Fino one. One bag down. So, more to do. Next one is this one. So, next bag is puro pampaganda rin. Marami ako binili na mga na-try ko na before. So, I just repurchased them. Kasi, effective sa akin. So, socks. I bought this one. It's just so cute. So, socks. Si Kuromi and si... Sino ba to? Hindi ko siya kanila. Pero siya. Cute siya. I think Sanrio din siya. So, I bought one more Fino. It's a refill one. Sabi nila sa one refill, you can refill 3 yung bilog. 3 na gano'n. Then, I bought this one. It's a face mask. For this face mask is si Kiana. Kiana ba to? Yung uso or yung common is the other one, the white and green. But this one, they said it's for anti-aging. It gives more or cleaner skin, sabi nila. Then, Curel. For the Curel one, this one is facial wash. Ginagamit ko kasi ngayon is yung isa. Pakita ko mamaya. Yung isa yung ginagamit ko with collagen. But they said this one is also good, so let me just try this one. Kasi before, initially ang hiyang sa akin is Clinique, but it's way expensive. So I tried the other one na may collagen, and it's effective. And then I saw this one in TikTok and other social media. They say this one is very good as well. I tried using moisturizer nila ng Curel. It is very good. Currently, I'm using the Clinique one, the Hydrating 100 Hour. Mahal kasi siya. So, but this one, binili ko, around 80 dirhams lang ata to. And, nung ginamit ko siya, ang fluffy ng skin ko, napaka-plump. Mas maganda siya. So, I bought 2 of this, ganito kalaki. And may isa pa akong open naman na eh. So, marami naman siyang laman. And then, there's another one, is moisturizer din siya. Pero, they say this one is for anti-aging. So, pag gabi, tatry ko siyang gamitin. Pero hindi ko pa nagagamit. Mukha naman okay. Kasi happy naman ako sa isa. And then, bumili ako ng dalawa. I bought this one. Bumili ako ng mga pang nails. Kasi it looks so good. So, parang siyang isi-sticker mo na sa nails mo. Para hindi na masira yung mismo nails mo. I bought this one. Parang dalawa ata yung binili ko neto. Then, as usual, I bought sunscreen. This one, before I'm also using this one na. Okay naman siya, hindi siya sticky sa feeling. This one is good. This brand, it's good. And then, I bought this one as well. Meron siyang trial doon. I tried it. Hindi siya malagkit. So, I bought several of these things. This one. And then, before, I used the Republic, yung brand Republic, for the sunscreen, sunstick. I saw this one, the tier 1. I bought it. This one and the blue one. Dalawa to eh. Isang white, isang ito, and isang blue. Ito. So, I bought 2 of each. Yan. Aray ko. 2 of each. So, tinry ko siya doon, ilagay sa skin ko. It's not sticky. It's very creamy. So, I like the texture for this one. Use this for your face. And also this one, I bought this sunscreen. And like ko binili sunscreen kasi nga dito sa UAE mainit. So, I bought a lot of sunscreen. Then, ito. Ito yung ginagamit ko currently. The Senka Perfect Whip. The pink one. It contains collagen. So, ito yung binagamit ko currently. And I like this one. Pero bumili ako ng Curel just to try it. Then, we have this one. Papaputi daw ng puwet. At ng singit. At ng hips. So, wala lang. Try lang natin. I bought 2 of this. And also the lotion one. This body lotion, parang combination siya nung isang sabon. Nito. Sana siya. Combination siya nito. Yan. This one is good for the hips daw. Hips don't lie. And then, I bought this one. It's so cute. It's Sanrio as well. Ano siya? Pang head. Parang headband. Para pag nag-clean ka. Then, I bought a lot of face masks. So, this is another face mask. And this one and this one. So, they have good feedback. So, this one, the vitamin C na face mask. And this one, retinol and hindi ko alam ano to eh. So, I'll be trying to use them alternatively. Before, I was using face mask pero I'm so lazy. So, hindi ko na siya nagagawa. Ngayon, marami akong binili. Wala akong karapatang hindi siya gamitin. Yan. I have a lot of face masks. 2 minutes and pa. I bought 2 of each. And ito pa, press on nails. It's so cute. Yan. Then the other brand for the lotion on the face or yung parang di ba after mag facial wash, magalay ka ng toner. Yun, toner. Ang tawag sa Japan is lotion. So another bought this one, Naturi brand. Yan. Meron pa kasi akong currently na ginagamit na toner sa clinic. So, bumili ako ng isa na to and 2 refill nung Hada Labo for my toner. Yan. So, I tried this one dun sa sample nila. Hindi naman siya icky feeling. So, it also has good feedback. Kasi sabi nila, itong company na gumawa nito is okay. So, I tried to buy one. Then, the Fino hair oil. I am not a fan, or parang hindi ako malaging gumagamit kasi ng hair oil. Kasi meron pa ako dyan tinatry ngayon. But once I use this, let's say, next month siguro magagamit ko na siya. I'll give you a feedback kung maganda siya. Pero positive ang mga feedback nila with this Fino hair. Haba na niya. And then also, I bought stickers for the nails. It's so cute. Ayan o. Mura lang din yun doon. So, I bought stickers. Ayan. One bag down. Okay, on to the next bag. Dami. So, napakita ko na kanina is yung anti-aging Curel. It is so good. And next is yung moisturizer din siya. But this one, Curel, is on a spray type. Na-try ko na siya doon. Maganda siya. Nagbe-blend agad sa face mo. So, this one, I bought 2 of this one na malaki. May maliit din ito. Parang hindi naman ata ako bumili ng maliit. Ayun, hindi nga. Hindi nga bumili. Next is the Moisture Care Hair Conditioner for Curel. Sabi nila, maganda siya for dandruff hair. Madandruff kasi kami dito sa UAE kasi nga of the weather and the water content. So, let's try if this one is effective. They say it's effective, but I don't know. But hopefully, it will be effective. So, I bought 2 of that one. 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Isang pair. Bumili pala ako ng smaller one. Para babaunin ko pag nasa work ako. Then, of course, tumatanda na tayo. We bought the Tsubaki. Hindi ba Tsubaki? Tsuboko. Rohi Tsuboko. This one is like Salonpas. I bought the cool one and the regular one. I tried this one. It's effective. Mabango siya. So, self-healing for the tita in me. So, it's a good one. It's a good buy. And hindi siya ganun kamahal. Then, we bought the Melana CC. I bought the intensive one. Yung intense. Parang 3 yung binili ko. Currently, I'm using vitamin C serum under L'Oreal, I think, yung brand. Effective naman siya sa akin. But, I'm still looking for a different one. Effective daw to. Wala naman ako masyadong mga blemishes or yung dark spots. But, Nung nasunog yung mukha ko sa Spain cam kasi nga na sobrang init. So, na-sunburn yung face ko. So, nag-darken yung ibang part ng face ko. When I used the vitamin C, after a few weeks, nag-brighten agad siya. Bumalik siya sa original color niya. So, I'm a fan of using the vitamin C. It helps with the skin talaga to correct the color. Then, also, I bought another sunscreen. It's the Anessa one. Anessa yan. I bought the original one and with the Pokemon. Same lang naman siya. Pero cute kasi. So, I bought Pikachu and the original one. I think I just bought 2 of this one. Yan. So, the next bag is the eye drops. So, magandang eye drops in Japan. So, since lagi nag-dry yung eyes ko dahil yan sa weather, I bought different eye drops. So, this one is a super one, the Pro, and then the other one is the regular one, I think. Ito usually binibili namin na eye cream. Meron pang isa is yung pink one, but I didn't bought that one kasi parang hindi ko siya kailangan na ganong klase. So, yon. I think that's it for the paganda. Yeah, so next one is for the food or snacks naman.